Did that with a Dremel tool, guys. Dress it up a little bit. I'm keeping my eyes peeled for a rear tire hugger. A used one on eBay. As soon as I get a rear tire hugger for this, I'm going to take that chain guard off. And I'll put my rear tire hugger on. But that's not what I want to show you. Come on over here to the bench. That's what I want to show you guys. I finally got my Honda Rebel engine assembled. Everything's torqued down. Right now we're working on the cam, the sprocket, and the timing chain. That's the next thing I got to put on and make sure it goes in properly. And then we'll adjust our chain tensioner a little bit. Put the top on. Now what I have to do now, since I almost got the engine done, cases are torqued. Got the cases all nice and torqued up. What we're going to do now is we're going to get the frame prepared, the new frame I have for it, so that I can start finally finishing this motorcycle. That's what I wanted to show you guys. She's almost done. Went from an ugly duckling to a show motorcycle. Okay, guys. Catch y'all later.